PDCA is four-stage improvement cycle based on the scientific method. On this cycle, a change in the process is proposed, implemented, measured and taken the appropriate action. Another designation for this is the Deming cycle or Deming wheel, after W. Eduards Deming, who introduced the concept in the 1950s. Purpose: continuous improvement implies taking action and encourages change. The PDCA cycle is a very useful tool to create and follow up those change-proposing actions. But how does it work? The PDCA cycle is usually presented in a visual manner and considers four stages for the implementation of an action. 1. Plan. Determine goals and what you propose to do in order to achieve them. 2. Do. Implement what you planned. 3. Check. Evaluate the results. 4. Act. Standardize and stabilize the change or begin the cycle again. Summary: the PDCA cycle is a visual tool to create and follow up continuous improvement actions.